All right, y'all, let me bring you through the process of setting up an online business step by step. We're going to keep it very quick because on the back end, when you go look at the information on getting your product set up, it's going to explain more. So simply, there's a few things you're going to need. You're going to need the product. You're going to need a system. So when you send people to the website, it does bulk of the information, sells for you, lets people know all the fine details. You're going to need a follow-up system, and you're going to need a www and professional email. That's it, and plus social media. So if we scroll back here, so the program I'm going to be introducing you guys is called the DG Community. So in this community, I love it because they already give you a funnel setup, which is your sales system. They give you a sales page, and they give you information on how to connect everything, and they give you the digital product. So on a simple end, this is the funnel that a lot of people are using. Collects the email, explains the opportunity.
Congratulations.
And you can click here, and it has a little more showing you results that other people are having, and that's the sales system. So after you go through this 3-step process, you should know if you want to join this business or not. And then from here, it's going to take you to my sales page, but they're going to give you a certain one. So you're going to have a certain sales page. It's going to do the rest. So like, it's going to give you everything that's in the product and all those small details. So when people get to this page, they should know if they want to get started or not. And if they don't, they're going to be in your list. So they're going to get emails, and we give you those emails as well. And they're going to get emails. So whenever they're ready to get started, they're going to join. So on the back end, I'm going to show you some other things. So here's where the domain name comes in, your www. And we always keep this simple. This is probably already taken, but we keep this simple. So you're going to get this. See, this is already taken. So you're going to pick one that isn't taken. And this is going to be your brand. And then you're going to get a professional email. And this is going to connect to your system. So when people go to www.howtomakemoney.com or whatever your name's going to be, they're going to go to your system. So instead of always trying to post a link, or if you're on TikTok and you don't get your link yet, you can just put in your bio, hey, here's my website. Or you can tell people, hey, go to www. And then the email is going to be so you can, if anyone in your email has questions, plus it's going to help you get your emails delivered to the inbox. And then on the back end, here's the product you're going to get. We have 4 different products you can offer. If you get the highest product, you unlock all the products. If you get the second to highest product, you unlock everything below that. If you get the second to highest, you unlock everything before that. If you just get our low product, our cheapest one, you just unlock that product. And it's payment plans on all 4 products. So this is how the product style looks. It's going to be in Kajabi. So you have the Launchpad Digital Mastery. So this is how you launch in 7 days. This is more how you do social media. This is more on that, but you're getting into more of the coaching, doing your own thing. And this is the full how to do your own product, how you do your own community, how to do everything yourself. And then you have some bonuses back here. And then you have our school community where we do all sorts of individual training. So this school community alone can be sold for another $800. So you get this for free, and it's all the people that's made a wild amount of money showing you exactly what they're doing. Most communities aren't going to give you all this information. You're going to have so much information. Information and value for your money is not the problem. The problem is always, how can I convert sales? And we have so much information around that. Plus you got access to me, and that's why you're here right now, guys. So that's how you launch a business. And we actually have a training on how to make your first sale in 7 days. So if you're someone who's just over the rat race, let's just be honest, it's 2025, rent, mortgage. Well, I don't know if I'm about mortgage, but rent's going up and your check isn't. Everything's going up and your check isn't. And eventually it's going to be to a point where middle class, if not already, is going to feel like you're in poverty. So we need to do something while we're working, while we can set money to the side and start investing into these business models so we can unlock this cash flow and then invest that. And now you have generational wealth. So that's the whole idea around this. This is daily pay. So if you get a sale today, you get paid today. So that'll help a lot of households too. So imagine you make, 100, 200, 500, 900, or whatever the case may be, and you can use that money now. Plus you get tax breaks now. So remember, this is the entrepreneur space, or you got to pay your own taxes, but you also get tax breaks as well being having a home-based business, guys. So All the information is going to be in the description. Make sure you check this out. If you're someone that's really, really serious, hop in, grab our legacy builders. That's our biggest product. Unlock all 4 income streams. And I'm going to show you how to take it to the next level in 90 days.